Thank you. And Christiana?
Yes. Love is my life path. I love love. So I've felt it and imbued in it, but also studied it scientifically. And to give the answer is to look at the activity of heart math, for example, or Greg Braden. Heart math has studied the rhythm of the heart and the conscious and how we can regulate our state with pure intention. So there's a science behind it saying that once you get into a state of coherence, which I would call love, because coherence is to stay connected with the universal source, with God, with consciousness, with your heart. Once you connect with your heart and stay centered in your heart, and they have actual specific exercises for that they scientifically studied, of having given results on the DNA, on the brain patterns, on all the cells in our body. So when we get into that heart coherence, which we call love, we self-regulate all the rhythms in our body and in our energy field. So that clearly, and our DNA as well, so that clearly states that love can offer scientific results for us, can be measured to have good results on our, not only our emotional field, which we already know, but on our physical body, on our genes, on our DNA, and on our cells. So that's why I love love. And another scientific study shows that when we write the word love and print it or stick it on a bottle of water, the molecules of that water are shifting to a pattern that's very coherent and harmonious, which means that just by uttering this word, the same way when you utter God, it shifts the molecule of water, it shifts the molecules of 70 to 90% of what you are, right? So how awesome is that? Just to say love or I love you, if we all say now I love you, 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 it scientifically proves that our water in our body is shifting to a more coherent state. So that's how I see love from the scientific perspective. And it's also been proven that once we get into the state of coherence or love, in my book I've shown that this state can actually make you feel nourished. So you no longer need that much physical food or no food at all for some people, just because you've connected to the universal source. To why when you're in love, you no longer eat so much or you lose appetite. You don't lose appetite because you have an illness. You are just nourished from your core of your being, from your heart. But that's not only a feeling to feel when you fall in love. You can dive in love every day by specific exercise or practice or meditation that this institute that's doing research on the heart is showing to be very effective scientifically. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.